I value your time, so let's get straight to the point. If you aren't using Gemini in Google Sheets yet, you're missing out on a powerful tool. It's a major upgrade over other AI models like Bard, especially for spreadsheet-related tasks. Think of it as a hidden Pandora's box of features, packed right into the Google Gemini add-on for Sheets. Once installed, it unlocks incredible potential right inside your workspace. Let's get started. First, navigate to Extensions. Then go to Add-ons and select Get Add-ons. In the search bar, type AI Assist for Gemini in Sheets, Docs, and Forms. Once you find it, click to install the add-on. Follow the on-screen prompts. Sign in with your Google account. Then click Continue and Allow. After installation, you'll need to set up your Gemini API key. I'll walk you through how to get one. Go back to Extensions, and you'll now see AI Assist for Gemini in Sheets in the list. Click on it and select Open. This opens the Gemini Assistant panel on the right side of your sheet. It will now ask for your Gemini API key. To get it, head over to Google AI Studio. It's quick, takes less than a minute. On the page, click the Get API Key button. A new window will appear. Click Create API Key. If it's your first time, you'll see two options: create a key in an existing project or in a new one. Since we're starting fresh, choose Create API Key in a new project. Click that, and the system will start generating your new API key. Once it's generated, copy the key. Save it somewhere secure. You'll need it later. Think of it like a password. Don't share it. Now go back to your sheet. Click Add API Key. Paste it in and hit Save. A confirmation window will appear. For security, you can delete the key later if you're done working, just in case someone else uses your device. Now for the fun part. Click the Menu button in the add-on panel. This is what I meant by Pandora's box. There's a full list of functions and an impressive prompt library built right in. In the prompt library, you'll find ideas for just about every profession: artists, analysts, business owners, content creators, and more. It's a gold mine for anyone working online, a wide range of ready-to-use prompt templates. Let's try something practical. We'll use a prompt from the food and cooking section. Can you help me plan a week's worth of dinners for 2 adults? I'll select the cell where I want the output to appear, then click Insert in Sheet from the panel. It says Prompt Inserted, and after a few seconds, there it is, a complete dinner plan for the week right in our sheet. Now let's try something creative, like poetry. I'll use the prompt, write a short poem about a sunny day. This time, I'll show you how to run a Gemini prompt directly in a cell. Just type equals Gemini, and inside the parentheses, reference the cell that contains the prompt. Close it, hit Enter, and it'll generate the output right there. Simple and effective. I'm showing general examples, but the possibilities are endless. If you're already familiar with Google Sheets, you can probably imagine how powerful this could be in your own workflow. If you want to learn more, the add-on also includes a built-in help section. It's packed with step-by-step guides covering system instructions, custom formulas, key management, and more. Everything is clearly explained and easy to follow. So that's it for this overview. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe. I'm always sharing the latest AI tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.